Never mind the hassle, never mind the threat, never mind the distance. Sulong edukalidad, handa isip, handa bukas.
Learning must continue amidst the threat of this contagion. Talisay City Division is ready on August 24.
We made sure that everyone from the division personnel to the local government unit officials is on the same boats and that all hands on deck. Hence, the proper planning of activities to partake prior to the simulation process and the resolution appropriating 40.3 million pesos for the module reproduction came about. Upfront, it might be very simple, but putting everything into consideration, the plan was our blueprint for us to fall back on when things go awry. Things went as planned for the division. In May, module writing commenced with the supervisors, school heads, master teachers, and teachers giving their all for the activity, attending the series of webinars on module writing, and thereafter burning the midnight oil just to beat the midnight deadline. June saw the quality assuring of the modules made. These modules, products of the sweat and tears, literally from the unselfishly dedicated teachers, went through the 3 levels of the division quality assurance mechanism. With the go sign of the final level, printing ensued. The very first printed page of the quality assured module saw daylight in the early days of July. The hard work continues with the sorting of the printed modules, organized by subject area, by year level, by period. Yes, that's how intricate and cumbersome the task is for the school personnel. Increased as the time for the simulation drew near. Late July and the first couple of days of August witnessed the in-person and virtual meetings organized by the schools through Facebook Live, Google Meet, Zoom, and radio broadcast attended by the teachers, parents, and barangay officials.
Ang atong mga magtutudlo inabagan sa atong mga pulong leaders.
Everything though is done following the interagency task forces, protocols, and public safety. D-Day. Simulation date finally came. The dedication for the noble task of providing quality basic education to all dictates traversing rivers and mountains in the far-flung barangays, only to send out modules in the Purok level. Putting the utmost consideration for the safety of the parents and learners, these modules in plastic envelopes are disinfected before distribution. Actual learning then took place with the parents giving proper instructions to their children how to use and answer the modules. Retrieval of the accomplished modules was done by the teachers and personnel who revisit the Purok or the pickup points. For their safety, disinfection of the modules in plastic envelopes are done. Because the Talisay City Division values clients' feedback, parents are given access to an official Facebook page where they can write their comments and suggestions. In so doing, the division not only is given the opportunity to improve its services, but also connect with the community even at a distance. Work isn't over yet. The division personnel go to their assigned schools to monitor and check their compliance of the plans and simulation activities. There's just no stopping till we get it right. The good old maxim goes, desperate times call for desperate measures. But in Talisay City Division, desperate times call for tough and possible measures.
Ingon ang imong maestra na kay paansiran, mao nang tarong nga jud pagsabot kay iguman nimo ani mag-answer ka ani diri kaning pagsasanay nga tama o mali.
We cannot thank enough all the point persons who journeyed with us in making things happen. Our ever-supportive Mayor, Gerald Anthony Samsam Gullas, the mother of the division, Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Evangelo Minarias, together with her Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Faustino Turajo, Chiefs Dr. Maria Lourdes Ipong, and Ms. Rosario Joko, all the division and field personnel, our dynamic school heads, barangay officials, parents, and the teachers have worked as one to reach where we are right now. Kudos to Deped Talisay City Division. See you on August 24th.